Hello. Well, we're gonna start with the coffee, the free sugar, el Tabasco, eggs, and a lot of vitamins and some shit. Yep. And then more shit. Something like looks like caca. And more shit. And then we're gonna work out some shoulders. Hey, the sex is helping. And then more shoulders. Yep. And biceps. Then more shit. How many shit this man can eat? And rice, yucateco, sound goes. And then something, rice with something that looks like poop. Then vitamins, no, those are, yeah, NX.